Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany. If you don't know already, I am a member of the Stats on Stats podcast. And what we luckily get to do is we get to come to local events in the Tampa Bay area. And the event that we're at today, CyberX 2025 Tampa Bay. And I'm here with
BB.
And BB helped us to be a part of this event, so hopefully she'll get a chance to talk to you about that. But I just want to ask you, BB, what is it about the CyberX Tampa event that drive you to continue to do this event? And I think we're in, year 4?
It would be year 4 if it wasn't for it getting canceled because of Hurricane Milton last year. But yeah, I mean, just the people, the turnout, everybody seems to really enjoy it, and it's a great opportunity. People come up all the time and are talking about, how much they enjoyed themselves and the opportunities that they were presented with. So that's really the reason that we keep going and, have it every year.
Okay, thank you. And then when you think about this event over the last couple of years, what is something that you're super proud of when you talk about this event to others?
One thing that I think is really cool is I am a little newer to Paragon, who is now one of the primary sponsors of CyberX, but Courtney Jackson, our CEO, a few years ago, she was basically just a guest at CyberX, and now she is like the primary person for running CyberX. So seeing that development and how much it's expanded and all the opportunities that have gone along with that have been really cool to see.
Awesome. Thank you so much. If you had to tell somebody who's interested in tech and looking to get their foot in the door into cyber, what would you give them as your best point of advice for breaking into cyber?
Honestly, don't let it intimidate you. Don't think just because I have no experience in this, I'm not going to be able to do it, because there are so many opportunities for you to go out and get certified in different areas and get trained on things. So, like I said, just go out and do it. Don't let it intimidate you, and, put your foot on the gas and just go for it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. And for everybody else, if you didn't make it to CyberX Tampa Bay 2025, then make sure you make it for 2026.